Hi, Jim Carson here from Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Orangeville, Ontario, the Ford guys that customize. Today I'm out at our modification shop, 670 Rydell Road. That's Bad Dog Mods with this bad boy behind me. Check out this 2020 F450 Limited. The F450 Limited is the most expensive Ford truck we sell. At over $107,000 Canadian loaded from the factory, we weren't done with this yet. Our customer wanted a unique truck with lots of extra lights, some real added toughness, and that's what we got with this Road Armor Intimidator front bumper and guard. The bumper itself was called the Stealth Bumper, but when you add the Intimidator piece to the top, it is definitely intimidating. We're going to cover the rigid lights we have installed in the front. We have both flood, spot, and a combo light. We'll talk about the Ford Genuine Accessories Strobe Kit and some unique advantages of that. We'll also show you Road Armor's rear bumper along with the rigid lights. So check it out. Okay, experience shows us no matter how good the powder coating is on these aftermarket bumpers, you are going to have rust issues in our climate. So the best way to protect from that is a Line-X coating, but make sure you ask for the upgraded UV screen so that it doesn't fade. Let me just show you how this Intimidator Guard bumper works when it comes to access the hood. On the outside are two big latches. Simply turn these latches down. Make sure that the latch is fully cleared all the way from the bumper or from the guard, and then lift up the guard. It's heavy, but the guard lifts up in place and it'll stay there out of your way so that you can open the hood and access any servicing you may want to check. That's the Road Armor Intimidator bumper and guard. Okay, the F450 Limited, like the F150 and all Super Duty, the Limited model features LED headlights, great bright headlights, but sometimes that's just not enough. You have to think about the beam pattern. I recommend rigid lights because they are extremely durable. They're the best brand in the industry, bar none. But check out their visualizer. Go online to the website, rigidindustries.com, and use their visualizer to pick out the lights that you want to use. They're available in many different beam patterns, different lengths, SAE compliant fog light replacements, and super bright off-road only. So if we hook these up to the factory auxiliary switches, starting with the outside, we want a driving pattern or a flood pattern. So on position number 1, we have the floods on the outside. Now for visualing further down the road, you want a spot beam. The spot beams are hooked up to switch number 2. And then in the center, we have the rigid 20-inch combination bar. That's hooked up to switch number 3, and that's going to give you both a spot and flood, tons of light. Now if we turn off those bars, now you're going to see the Ford licensed strobe light kit. They're hooked on the top of the hood, so they're on button number or switch number 5. And as you can see, the strobe kit's front and rear. One of the benefits of the Ford licensed accessory strobe kit, and it's really important to consider this, you do not have to drill into these headlights or taillights. They're super expensive to replace, and drilling a 1-inch hole in the side of them, there goes your warranty. So you want to think about that. The Ford accessory kit, it's a great kit. You can see here around the back as you're looking at it, here's the back factory stop lamp that the plastic surround comes with the strobe kit and fits nicely over the factory rear stoplight kit. That we've hooked on for the rear bumper lights. Let's check it out. Okay, the rear bumper. In this case, again from Road Armor, we've gone with the Vaquero. That's spelled V-A-Q-U-E-R-O. Now, the Vaquero bumper, we also had coated with the Line-X and the UV coating Line-X to keep it from fading and get this bumper to last a long time. It's going to take a big beating. You can see that the bumper comes with cutouts, and for the rigid lights, in this case, they're the same size and shape as the DSS cubes that you saw up front, or the D cubes up front, but these are the D series. These are the surface mount. You'll see that when you're on Rigid's website and you're picking out the light, that they're available as a flush mount or a surface mount. So flush mount is built in like this. Surface mount comes with that bracket that you saw in the front bumper. We've also accommodated the rear sensors. The bumper does come with holes for it. Make sure that when you're ordering a bumper, if it's not, that you're getting a bumper that's for the correct specification that you need for your vehicle. Well, this bumper is going to last this guy a really long time. We think the install looks fantastic. Those Ford accessory strobe kit, again, just a great idea, not having to drill the factory taillights or headlights. All of that was done by our team at Blackstock Ford and Bad Dog Mods and Orangeville Quick Lane. So if you're in the market for a new Ford custom truck, you want to add any kind of features, we are the experts in that. Our pricing is excellent. Compare us, shop us online, that's what we are. We're an online customer that buys our stuff from the largest suppliers direct to you. You're going to save a bunch on shipping big, heavy products like this. So once again, I'm Jim Carson. You can check us out at blackstockford.com. You can check our mod shop out at baddogmods.com. And we're located at the mod shop, 670 Rydell Road in Orangeville, and the main dealership is on Highway 9 East in Mono. Thank you for watching.